Hi, my name is Vod. I'm from Arto Brick, and today we're going to talk about Arto's Artazzo. It's our version of Terrazzo, and we take our concrete products, we add your choice of aggregates, background color, and grind it to your specification, from rough finish to mirror-like finishes. Arto Brick has been making concrete for many years, and being in a very eclectic, diverse city, we have been requested several times a year to do some type of acid wash, ground surface, sandblasted surface. So we are very happy to put a collection together in our catalog. It's very customizable. This product can be used in commercial driveways, residentials. It can be used all over. So, how do you select Artazzo? First, pick a background color. Second, pick an aggregate, its size, its color, or combination. And then we can work together on the desired finish. Did you want something rough that we can put in the backyard? Did you want something smooth and shiny that you may see in your hotel lobby? Arto Brick has many concrete colors, from very bright whites to very dark charcoals and everything in between. Once you have selected a background color, we will present to you a selection of aggregates. Aggregates can be very exciting, from small to large, from black to white to pink to green. Artazzo can come in any of the Arto Brick sizes. You can get your product at 1 inch or 2 inches thick. We are focusing more on the Roman sizes, very crisp, straight edges, which makes a traditional terrazzo. But we make it Artazzo by offering all our different interesting sizes, from enormous hexagons, small hexagons, to even some of our Artio series with the Arabesque collection. So not only can you choose from our Roman tile and paper collection, we also offered in some of our 3D products. In my hand was a request over 15,000 square feet, 6-week lead time, totally custom. We were given a black and white drawing. Within a week, we had prototypes for the client's approval, a few adjustments on thickness and the type of finish. This was used in a shopping mall, a commercial setting, high traffic, and we're happy that this project will enjoy this product for many years. Contact us, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's get more info on Artazzo, fun and exciting way to design your project. Thank you.